Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn arrays in JavaScript. What are arrays? A simple variable which is having or assigning with the multiple data items, irrespective of the data type, string, boolean, number, or any other data type which we can mixed and assigning to a single variable. It is very clearly possible using arrays. Arrays, we can simply say that a group of data items are going to be assigning to a particular single variable. Alright? Yes, if it is possible a single variable with a group of data items, how we can access and how we can read and how we can play with these items. If I need any single one item from the group of list items or array items, how I can take one by one, how I can use inside my program. You are going to see now. Very simply, we are created here with the HTML form, basic form. With this form, you are going to writing like within a body, p tag is used and script tag is implemented. Get element by ID I have written. This p tag is accessed here. Now let's begin to declare a simple array declaration with the values. So let's see. Here I am using const as in a variable declaration. So here my variable const, it's in a fruits. Anything you may take. It's a group of items, no? So I'm taking, it's not a fruit, it's a fruits. So that equal to using square braces, double quotes, apple, comma, array items will be placed inside a group of like a square braces, string item if it is. How we are prepared string items like double quote or single quote, need to write the item with comma based items will be there. So the second one is orange. I like most this food, and kiwi, the next one. And if I want to put some number over here, yes, 202. Yes, you can write the number also. So number we are declared as a without a single quote or double quote or any decimal value. Yes, it's completely possible to write over here. Line ends with the terminator I have given here. So how I can read these particular items in JavaScript like a HTML element. See, this HTML element, we know how to get an output using this document.getElement by ID of this paragraph ID and inner HTML by writing this keyword to get which is the value or variable is assigned to this particular element in JavaScript is going to be presenting here. It's an output. That is very clear. Now let's see how I can assign what I need to assign to this particular element. So let's see. Fruits, if I assigned fruit, this is the variable name only, no? So I'll take the fruits only. So here one by one I need to read, no? Array will follow index positions. Array will follow index positions. So fruits of with the square braces 0. Let's terminate this line. Let's see what happens. So I'll save this and run the program. Wow, I'm getting apple. So what happening here? So this apple I'm getting. Let's see. I'll change it to 1. Save it. Run it. Orange I'm getting. If I given, I think so. If I given 2 here, I'll make get kiwi. Let's check it. I'm sorry. 202. Yeah. Wow. If I given 3, save, reload, number. So there is no problem. Independent items I'm able to accessing from my this array, given array. So strongly remember, array will follows index positions and it will always starts from the 0. The first one, array items, any item it may be, maybe string, boolean, whatever the item, data item, we can treat it as. So the group of items are here inside the array. The first item will be called as array index position 0. The next one is 1, 2, so on it will goes. Alright, you have seen very clearly. Always you to try to practice these examples with many of the data. So group of data items irrespective to one group of data items, any, I have given few examples only here, like by writing simple data. Much data you may prepare here, thousands of data you can add here. So taking these thousands of data is going to be assigning to a single variable only, which is possible with the arrays. Alright, now how if I want to get all the items in output? So how I will get? Yes, at a time you will get all the output data items using fruits dot to string method. Sorry, yes, fruits dot to string method. So by writing this, save it and run the page. See, all the items which are available inside the array you are getting here. See, let me check with the writing by one more. With the decimal value I'll write 20.34. Save, reload, automatically it is reading. The dynamic way, if you are assigned some any text or any variable data item here, it will be assigned to this variable. This will be is reading here, which is assigned to this particular JavaScript element. This is going to be assigning to this paragraph ID. This which is rendering all the information which is required to presentation, and it is presenting into our output screen. This the life cycle compilation is happening inside. So the life cycle, whenever the programmer is writing something, he needs to concentrate on the logic output, how it is getting and how the way it is going to be presenting. Then it's very easy to understand where you need to implement correct code or what logic you need to implement, how and what you are getting accurate output or not, troubleshooting of your code, debugging. It's very easy if you know the life cycle. So similarly, let's see. Let's an example. I'm removing the numbers. I'll add two more numbers. Like see, like a few exercises I will do. Like what I can write something. Pineapple. I can write pine and one more banana. Okay. Save it and reload. So irrespective all the items we are getting here. So I'm very happy. So happy with the great information. Let's see now what happens. Let's see now what happens. I'm trying to applying something else. Yeah, fruits, like fruits we are getting straight away we are getting. Now what I'm trying to doing here, these fruits I'm going to making sorting methods. So I'm trying to doing sorting methods. How it is possible? These sorting methods are going to be present for demo, like save it. If I run this, only single one it is coming now. So if I trying to put like demo 1, okay, so this demo 1 I'm going to making new things over here. So let's see, fruits dot, by default there is a method called sort method. So once it is a sorting is happening, I can make it comment line array sorting. By default it is an assigning of sorting will happen. So the sorting data is going to be present, get element by id of, what is the name we have given for another one, demo 1 dot inner html that equal to fruits. Yes, see what happens. This method, built-in method, is going to be do making a list of items which is inside added. This will be like first it will be displayed how it is displaying here, then immediately we have written here sorting method we are applied for this array, so it will be like arranged something like alphabetical order. Let's see, save this and run over here. Wow, let's see, first line is as it is how the list item is prepared in by code. So the next item you may see the output apple, banana, kiwi, orange, pine. Alphabetical orderly it is arranged the items. How? By defaultly this will be taken care built-in function. Built-in method will be taken care to sorting that I am going to assign with the another paragraph that is called demo 1. Here I am displayed. So the fruits once it is sorted, these fruits I am going to assigning to this particular this element. So it is going to be displaying here. How simple and how beauty it is. So if I want to make it these list items in reverse manner, array reverse. Okay, so how it is possible? Just simple, fruits dot reverse. Reverse method is there, built-in method this is also. So once if I applied reverse method, all the items will be displayed in after the output here, no? So it will be sorting here. Again it is a making a reverse. So now it is a reverse print only will be there in the second line. Let's see here. Reload. Wow, apple is last, banana reverse. Once the sorting is done, all the things are going to be applied as in reverse. Clear? So in this way you just try to apply your requirements to handle these items. If you want to get like a reverse manner index position of 0, what is the item you will get? I think so it is pine. Let's see. Wow. So the based on your requirements, which item you need, how you need to get last item or first item, you play with the arrays. Very basic fundamentals these are. I think so I am giving a clear explanation about this. Try with the small data, understand the logic, then play with it. That's it. I'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.